Uh, Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another nice thing, very basic, that I've made for you people to learn, for those who are learning. And I'll take you through the process, the things that I did. It's very simple, and just count from 0 up to 9, but you can increase the value up to maybe F. So that's my STM, my STM32F103 series, and then I have my 7th segment. My 7th segment, I've used only one bit just to explain the basic concepts, and I'll take you through the things that were most important. This is how the 7th segment look like. As you can see, it is arranged in the order of A. You have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are basically LEDs that you put them in order. Like when you want to put to light 1, you just put LED B and LED C on, and others you put them off. If you want to put a 0, you just put LED G 0, and all others you put them on. So you develop just a truth table, something like Bison. This is my truth table. It looks a little bit shaggy, but you can see I have the LEDs A, B, C, and up to G, and then the last one is the decimal point. So like for example, I want to put a 0, I put A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to F I put a 1, and then at G I have to put a 0 because it's at the center, and decimal maybe you may decide to put it on or off depending. So when I put a G, a 0 here, when I put this one a 0, all others will go on, and that's girl. Yes, so as you can see, I've used a common anode whereby I've grounded my LEDs and then supplied on the other side from the STM32F series. Yeah, these are the basic thing you can be able to see, and this kind of connection, this is a different thing. This is not an STM, but this is how you do the connection. That's how my wiring has been done. But in here, these are 5 volts, so this one is a common anode. For me, I've grounded this one, so I've not used the common anode. I've used the common cathode. So I'll take you through a very basic and a simple code that I've written here. Hope you can see. So this is the simple code. Forget about the green one. The green ones, they are just highlighted, like they're not executed in this code. So I have my function called somewhere. Just show you the basic things that you need. Others, forget about them. Not important for now. Here it is. That is my basic function that I've made. I'll show you the code where it's calling. I've just called it BCD decimal, and I'm just inputting the number 0 to 9, and I'll show you the array. This one here is the array. It's from 0 up to F, but for this one I've limited it up to 9. If you want, you can increase the value by for loop. And here I've declared my I, and I used volatile. This simply because at times the STM may optimize your code, so I have to use the volatile. This is where I come now, the while loop, very basic. So I'm counting from 0 up to 9, and this is where I've inputted my array, CBCD decimal. Now here I've inputted my array, this array that I showed you above here, this one, but this is where I'm telling you I've limited it up to 9, so it's counting from 0 to 9. The other parts I'm not, I left them out, but you can still put, you can test your code. And then I'm taking it for just 1 second so that at least you can be able to see when the values are changing. From there I'll take you on where I've written my, forget about these ones, I'll take you where I've written my function to put on those LEDs depending on pins. Here it is. I've declared a function where I will set that pin on or off, so it depends on what has been selected. That's the code for that. And then from there I've now come here and declared my pins. I've used, according to STM, my STM, I can show you here. I've used from pin 12, that is GPIO B, up to pin, let me show you from here, it's much easier. I've used GPIO B 12, 13, 11A, GPIO A, 10, 9. These are the pins that I've used. And then okay, forgot to change this one, a character, but this one I'm not inputting a character at this point. I'm inputting now that value, and then I configure, I AND it with value of G. This one will ensure that all other bits are 0 apart from this part. That will be 0, 4 zeros, then 2 zeros, 1 0. Yes, that's what will happen, and that's the basic code. It's so easy. I hope I was able to explain, but in case of any question you can ask me down there. Yeah, that's the counting. It was fun, I liked it. As you can see, it's counting, it's like a second, every second, so you can make your watch. Thank you.